Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can create an SSH connection from Windows, the easy way. First, head to this address and download the Bitvise SSH Client installer. After installing the Bitvise SSH Client, enter the host address of the remote host you want to connect to. Also enter the username. The password will be required during the runtime. Click on the Login button. You will be required to enter your password to connect to the remote server. Click OK. The new terminal option will be available on the left. By clicking on it, you will access the remote server terminal. You can close this window because the connection will remain active in the main client. You also have access to this SFTP window where you can browse files. On the right side, we can see the files on the remote server. On the left, we have the local files. You can drag and drop files between the two windows. Enjoy!